We are Cicada 3301. Your time has come. You've betrayed the good and abused the evil. The balance is now unstable. You have now found yourself in a land where the air is infected with a stigma which you will never escape. No amount of ammo, muscle, no clubs, groups, gangs, or secret societies can save you now. Your only chance at retribution is to act now. Give those you wronged exactly what they want, or you will expect us. Tomorrow is too late, today is not long, and yesterday is too far away. Act now before it's too late. We are Cicada 3301, your Batman of the internet. We hold the secrets to a new holy grail, and this one controls the entire pyramid. We will always be watching, looking out for those good souls that have been wrongfully accused and punished, but we are dark, demented, and unforgiving, evil defeating evil. This is the mission of Cicada 3301. Don't fuck with us, or you will find it's always mind over matter. The game is over. Good luck, 777.